producing and exporting specific proteins. To produce the proteins, you need some form of DNA to get to the ribosomes, which is within the nucleus and the nucleolus. And the chromatin here is the loosely packed DNA, and with that, the DNA needs to be turned into mRNA during interphase. Once that's happened, the mRNA is able to leave through the nuclear pore and make it to the ribosome, where tRNA will come and match up with the anti and regular codons, and those codons will match for a specific amino acid. That amino acid will slowly start to chain through as the mRNA feeds through the ribosomes. And that's how you get your specific protein. To export the proteins once they've been synthesized, you need the vesicles, which is a bilipid layer or bilipid organelle, which right here is shown, which is a hydrophilic bond on the outside and a hydrophobic on the inside, which lets it move around the cell membrane, which is a jelly water substance, very easily because the hydrophilic is on the outside. And that's where the proteins will be transported with, and these will move along towards the Golgi apparatus, which will further refine and make the sort the proteins for you to be able to use in your body to stay alive. During all this, you need some form of energy, and that's where the mitochondria comes into play. The mitochondria turns chemical energy, which is needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions, to help move vesicles and proteins around. The smooth and rough ER help with that. With the rough, it has ribosomes on the outside, which excrete more proteins because the ribosomes will turn the mRNA and go through the whole process, while the smooth will be a hub or a pathway to move things along the cell much easier and faster and efficient. Once proteins are made, they can be used throughout your body for whatever functions needed. For example, the proteins will help repair your body, let you have a metabolism so you can break down foods and other things, and generally be the structure of your whole body. Also, speaking of structure, that's where the cytoskeleton keeps the structure of the cell itself, keeps it so it doesn't deform too far. That was my take on producing and exporting specific proteins. Thank you.